Hey, what's going on, guys? Adit here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very basic text editor. Now, this won't have any extra commands. I'll go into detail in the commands in a future episode. For now, let's just stick to the basic text editor. So, let's start. First, you have to import tkinter as tk, then from tkinter import file dialog and message box. Then actually that's all we need, so let's start. First we'll make root is equal to tk.tk, then root.geometry is inside a string. Okay, now this might seem a little weird, but it's going to be inside a string. Your dimensions will be inside a string, so make it 600 x 600, which means it will be a square. Then root.title, we'll make that tutorial. I mean, you can name it whatever you want, but I'm just gonna name mine tutorial. Then root.mainLoop at the end, and there we go. Now we have to make text. We have to give it the text area, right? So text is equal to tk.text, and make it give the attributes as root. Then set the width equal to your dimensions. So I'm making them 600 by 600. Text.pack. There we go. When we run this, you get this. Okay. Now it would be very short if we ended the tutorial there, and you might not have learned so much. So for this tutorial, I'm also going to teach you how to make menus. Okay, so when we make a menu, you have to give it a variable name. Obviously, I'm just going to name it my menu is equal to tk.menu, and give it the attribute root. Then we're gonna make a new menu called file menu, and it's equal to tk.menu. Its attribute will be my menu, so that file menu will be inside that menu, if that makes sense. For an example, I'll give you this taskbar on the top. File is file menu. In this case, this is equal to this. When you click on it, you get this. Okay, now we'll add some buttons. I'll give file menu dot add command. Label will be equal to quit, and the command is equal to root dot quit. There we go. Now we have to do root.config, which means it configures its entire screen, or it configures the entire GUI to add the menu. So menu is equal to my menu, and then over here we have to add a cascade. So my menu.add cascade. Label is equal to quit, and the menu itself is going to be file menu. So let's run it. As you can see, you get this over here, quit. There we go. See, it works. Now when you run it and you click on the menu, you'll see something weird over here. It's called a tear off, and it brings this up, and it's really weird. So to remove that, we'll do tear off is equal to false. So my menu comma tear off is equal to false. Now you're supposed to write this in the file menu when you're making the object. Now if you check it out, you won't have that, and it's not weird anymore. Now that's it for today. I'm sorry it was quite a short tutorial. I'll work on bigger and more advanced tutorials in the future. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which might be a gaming video, so stay tuned. Hit the notification bell. Bye.